sunrise weaves through the quiet, each spark a whispered promise of comfort. Shadows dance along the walls, moving slowly with the flicker of the flames, casting a gentle embrace over everything they touch. Wrapped in this golden cocoon, you feel tension melt away, replaced by a deep sense of safety and calm. Let this peaceful scene carry you gently toward restful dreams. Subscribe for